What's going on, guys? Hope you're doing well and having an awesome day. Today I wanted to show you how on one of my account I was able to hit $18,000, and I've got three of these account in the same platform, which is the passive income platform, and I'm actually making guaranteed income day by day by day, 5 days a week. So in a month that's like 20 days I'm actually doing nothing, and I'm making passive income, right? So as you can see, this is a my accounts details. Total earnings $18,000. Total withdrawal that I've actually done from this particular account is $17,000. Okay, but if I go down a bit as well, you see my smaller account as well. So on this account I've actually made $4,485. Total withdrawal that I've actually done from this particular account is $2,118, and this is a passive income platform that I'm actually invested into, and the platform has been around since 2017, and I'm loving every bit of it because I don't have to do anything, and I'm actually making guaranteed income day by day by day, which is, I just love it, right? Because now I don't need to do any of the work, and the professionals are actually doing all the hard work for me, right? And this is by far the easiest way that you can be earning income with your online business. And if you also go to my channel, you'll see some of my clients interviews that I've also done. So you see here, this is one of the client who actually is making $250 US every single day. This is Santosh. He's making 5,000 plus every single month. This is another client, so $0 to $7,000 per month, and it's increasing daily. Okay, and on an ongoing basis, I will also be bringing more clients and also be doing more interviews like this, just to share with you that there's other business aside from affiliate marketing, YouTube automation, drop shipping, and you don't need to do a whole bunch of stuff, and you can actually really make a good amount of income with your online business. So you must be asking like, what is this platform, right? So this platform, I actually shared many videos on my channel regarding this platform, which is called Saro FX. And what Saro FX is, they do stock trades, they do forex, they do uh, crypto as well, and they do in the indices, right? Which is a awesome way. And once we actually put our actual investment on the platform, the professionals are actually doing all the hard work for us, and we just collect daily returns from the actual platform, right? And there's many income streams tied up to this platform. There's close to about 6 different income streams tied onto this platform. And because when new members also join the platform, I'm also giving them few other income streams so they can actually make like a lot of money with this 9 stream of income, which is just awesome, right? So how are you gonna get access to this system and get my exact one-on-one coaching, right? And now I'm not gonna be charging anything. This is gonna be my exact blueprint on how I'll be making huge amount of money, and you can actually do the same for yourself as well, right? So how you're gonna be doing that is you're gonna go beneath this video, and to actually access the system, just click on the first link, which will actually bring you to this page here. So very simply, you're gonna click this, and you're just gonna follow the step, right? Step by step. And you're also gonna be filling out the form, and at the end of once you fill out the form, it will get you to connect to me via Facebook. So just let me know you've fill out the form, so that way we can actually arrange a one-on-one call where I'm gonna be sharing with you A to Z, like how you can actually make guaranteed income. And here I clearly put, you make anything between $2,838 to $17,000 plus per month on an ongoing basis. And once you take action, you'll make this money guarantee, right? And another link you also want to be clicking is beneath this video as well, and which will actually take you to this page here. So make sure you enter all your details in here, and the company will send you a Gmail and that way you can actually log on to the platform, right? Pretty simple. You don't have to do anything complicated, and pretty much I will actually guide you step by step by step, right? So it's nothing complicated, and you don't need to do affiliate marketing. You don't need to do YouTube automation. I think someone is calling me, so hang on. So pretty simple and unique way you can be earning income from your online business. Again, thank you so much, and I look forward to speaking to you very soon. Bye for now, and God bless you.